Hello, welcome and welcome back. This is Kita, and today I have a little story time I wanted to jump online and tell y'all about, and that is about this Reborn artist that stole my name. Okay, now I have some notes on my phone that I'm gonna be referring to so that I don't lose my points when I'm telling y'all this story, but let's jump right into it, shall we? Okay, so about 2 days before Thanksgiving, I was doing a little scroll online because I wanted to find some pictures of some My Sweet Baby Reborn nursery work. So of course, you know, I go to Facebook, I type in my nursery name, and the majority of my pictures come up first. But when I kept scrolling, I found some additional Facebook pages in which people were using with similar names. Okay, of course, there was this one group that changed their name like a few years ago to reflect my business name. But if you go and look at the Facebook page, you'll see that it's clearly not mine. Okay, my work is not even featured on there. So then I found this other website, or not other website, but another page that had been set up. It was actually a fan group that the person had set up, I guess, for their business. When I saw the page, I was like, this name looks very, very similar to mine. Let me go and check this page out. All right, so further research that I did, I found out that the person established the group back in November of 2020. Now, the lady created a group and not a page, right? Because if you establish a page, people can actually go on without liking the page and be able to leave comments and reviews and all of that. No, what she did was she created a group that of course you have to be accepted into before you can actually make comments.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
I kept doing a little digging and I saw where back in October she decided that it was a good idea to list My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery and her name on a board and posted it in a picture. Yes, you heard me right. My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery and her name on a board in a picture with some of her work. I have a picture, hold on.
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb.
Are
you, like, medically speaking, are you like
I'm not trying to be mean. Like, are you dumb?
I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb. I think do you think she's
dumb.
dumb?
Yeah. Yes, she tried it. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. Back in May of 2021, she actually posted a picture as the header of this Facebook group that she established, and she used the logo that I had used back in December of 2020 in what was supposed to be my last custom order. Okay, let's jump back to November 24th of 2021. I sent her a message on Facebook asking her if she was aware that she was using a name that I had been using since 2015. Actually, I established the name of my Reborn business in 2014 at the end, but I didn't take it live until January of 2015. And she told me that she wasn't aware. So I said, okay.
You know what you are? You know what you are? You're a clown.
I'm a clown?
You're a clown.
Now, I actually gave her, I feel like, ample time to, you know, go ahead and correct the situation. You know, change your nursery name, considering the fact that it was mine and I had been using it for years. But did she do that? No, she didn't. She has made no attempt to correct this error, nor has she even apologized.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I actually did a little more digging on this lady, and her nursery because I wanted to figure out how she came up with this name, right? So on her personal page, she took a poll as to what people thought that her nursery name should have been. All right, that sounds good. But on her poll, My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery was nowhere to be found. Check this out.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
Name ain't nowhere on there, on this poll or nothing. So you just came up with this name out the blue, from out the air, whatever. Now, on her Facebook group, as the cover, she has My Sweet Baby, that picture, yes, y'all, the picture, My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery, and her name at the bottom of this picture as the cover on her Facebook group. Now, is this lady a scammer? Probably not. Like, I really don't think she's a scammer. An opportunist? Yes. Scammer? I don't think so. I think what she did was she saw what she felt was an opening, an opportunity to use a brand that was already being recognized by people in the community. And because she thought I was gonna not do my business anymore, I guess, she decided, hey, I'm just gonna take this name and use it as my own. It's one that people already recognize, right? Now, I know she may feel like she's entitled to this name because she's using it, but that is my name. It is pretty much a brand that I established back in 2014, around November-ish. I always tell people January 2015 is when the brand was actually established, on my brother's birthday. But at the same time, it's my name.
Y'all, stop playing with my name. I ain't gonna say it no more.
I remember exactly where I was the day I decided to use that name. When I came up with the idea of My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery, it actually has my name in it. My initials are MSB. The name of the Reborn Nursery is My Sweet Baby, MSB, which is where I got the idea for the name of the Reborn Nursery. I tell people all the time that name has my blood, sweat, tears, DNA, all entwined in the name of my reborn business. I have missed out on family events. I have lost friends. I have gotten rid of whole relationships I was in, all for the sake of building this brand through this business. So if someone thinks that they're just going to come in and take my name, I don't think so. If you want it, you're gonna have to fight me for it. And quite honestly, I already own all of the digital real estate surrounding this name. So if you want to use it, you can have the name. You can use the name, but nobody will ever recognize you as that brand. It's the equivalent of you waking up one morning with this bright idea to say, I'm gonna make a dark cola drink. So as you're walking through the house, you start thinking to yourself, you know what? I'm gonna call this drink Coca-Cola. And you start to market this dark cola that you came up with as Coca-Cola. You know what's gonna happen? People are going to look at you like you are insane. And you wanna know why? You are insane. Coca-Cola is already an established brand. Why would you want to try to attach yourself to a brand that is already known, especially online, by everybody, it seems like? Now, granted, I do not liken myself to Coca-Cola. My brand ain't even nowhere scratching the surface of that. However, it is still mine.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
It belongs to me. So what makes you think that you can use it? Now, I've also had people ask me, are you going to trademark the name? I don't need to trademark the name. I've been using it since 2015. If she wants to start using the name, and she can trademark it, she can go ahead and spend those thousands of dollars to trademark the name at this point. I'm not going to do it. And here's why. I'm only using this name for Reborn doll art. That is it. I will never use it for anything else. So as long as I stick to the original plan that I had when I established that name, I don't need to trademark it. If she decides to trademark it, that's fine. I'm still going to have the legal right to use it for as long as I want because I was using it first. Google does not lie. You can look it up. My name and my brand was established officially on Google in February of 2015, and Google has the record of that. So if she wants to go on and try to use my name, that's fine. Go ahead, do it. I'm not gonna sue you. I don't care. You will never be known as My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery by Markita Success Booker, because that's who I am. You'll never have that. You'll never have that name. Nobody will ever really recognize you as being that. You're wasting your energy. Now, I'm very humble, but please understand that my business model even changes. Nobody can duplicate that. You can try to use a name, but you will never be able to duplicate my business model. I put lots of time, effort, and energy into this ever-changing model because I wanted it to be a certain way. I did that. I don't have a dedicated Facebook page for My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery. I have my reasons for that. That is also a part of my business model. You're not going to see a dedicated page for My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery ever. Not with my work attached. Somebody else may decide to use that name and, of course, you know, do what she's trying to do right now. Whatever. My work will never be featured on a separate Facebook page. It's not a part of my current business model. It hasn't been since 2015, and it's probably not going to be in the future. I'm just keeping it real. Now, is this lady going to change her business name? Probably not. Why? She may be benefiting from people thinking that it's me. But if you go and look at her page, if you can find it, because while she was using a name similar to mine, I don't know what she's using now. She had full gone on to use My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery as a Facebook group. I don't care. Just know that if you see this lady's work and you compare it to mine, you're gonna know who is who, and that ain't me. She's simply gonna be riding on brand recognition at this point. That's it. She thought it was a smart business move, but I could have told her, Google is your best friend when you are trying to establish a business, especially one in which you want to have an online presence. You do not take a name somebody else is already using, somebody else is already known for. It's not going to work for you in the long run, sis. You tried it, but it didn't work. You tried it. You did. You tried it. Now, if you didn't have malicious intent, you would have changed that name. But I feel like you had done a Google search. And again, you saw opportunity. You thought that you were taking the name from some little young girl who probably didn't know anything about online businesses and stuff like that. But again, I'm very humble, but I'm also highly intelligent.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Someone should have told you not to with me.
I did my research. You should have done yours. Unfortunately, she didn't, so now she's going to have to pay the price for that. The name she was using for her brand is one that was very similar to mine. However, in the digital world, .coms are very important. Very important when you're trying to establish a brand for the first time. And like I said, I own mine. I could stop painting Reborn dolls today. And I am going to make sure that for at least the next 10 years or more, depending on how I feel and how I decide to move around in the business world, I'm going to own that .com. And then if you ever want to own it, you're going to have to pay me. And I'm not talking chump change. You got to pay for established brands. And my blood, sweat, and tears, like I said, are all over that name. So it's mine.
See, I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but you know, I'm so creative like that.
But I just wanted to come on here and give y'all that quick little story time about the lady who really tried me. Sis tried me. Like, sis, you tried me, sis. No, you tried me. But it's okay. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As a matter of fact, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this. Like, have you ever had somebody try to use your name? or pretend to be you in order to get some type of recognition that they really didn't deserve from some work they really didn't do? I mean, let me know in the comments. Also, make sure that you are following me on all the platforms. I'm talking the Instagram. Okay, yeah, I'm on Instagram 2 times. I'm on Facebook, and then of course subscribe to me here on YouTube. I'm also on Twitter, but I don't play around on Twitter. It's just too much going on. But yeah, if you're looking for me, you know where to find me. Also, I'll put my Linktree information where you can find me basically everywhere on the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. This Aggie is man, like, so where am I looking? Where am I looking? Am I looking right here? It seems like I would be, because that's where I'm looking at, but I'm looking off kilter when I look back at my videos. Like, why is this? Oh God, I think I'm cross-eyed. It just is not making sense. Like, is it these lashes? Might be my lashes, because I really feel like I'm looking in the right place. Trying me. I need a camera. Oh my God, like, all right, so I'm just not gonna use lashes no more, because this is ridiculous. Like, I really feel like I'm looking in the right place and just nothing is happening for me. What is the issue? Like,